Get ready to meet the all-new, red futuristic 2026 Kia Telluride Hybrid, where rugged capability meets cutting-edge electrification in a mid-size SUV that redefines family adventure. From the moment you set eyes on its sharp, squared-off stance, double-stacked LED DRLs, and iconic, tiger nose grille dissected by the hood, you know you're looking at a next-generation icon. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a tech-rich, family-friendly interior inspired by the airy, futuristic cabin of Kia's EV9. Expect wide floating effect elements, a revamped center console, massaging and power-adjustable seats, and available second-row captain's chairs that elevate comfort to near-luxury levels. And while official fuel economy numbers are yet to be confirmed, the hybrid powertrain combined with regenerative braking promises significant efficiency gains, bringing the Telluride in line with or ahead of rivals like Highlander Hybrid and Explorer Hybrid, all while maintaining its rugged persona and spacious three-row layout. Built at Kia's U.S. facility in West Point, Georgia, and scheduled for debut in late 2025 or early 2026, the 2026 Kia Telluride Hybrid is poised to carry forward the Telluride legacy with bolder design, smarter tech, and greener performance. If you're ready for an SUV that combines the thrill of innovation with the soul of adventure, your future ride is arriving soon. Stay ahead of the curve and experience the next-level Telluride Hybrid. Be sure to hit like, subscribe, and comment below what you're most excited about, whether it's the design, hybrid power, or family comfort of the red futuristic 2026 Kia Telluride Hybrid.